Dear students, this is the last question in this chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, of course, and this is very difficult problem and lengthy problem. Answer is lengthy. Okay, you have to concentrate it very good, because by taking very much time, I just answered this question. You please listen carefully and don't divert your mind until completion of this answer. Okay, come on, let us see what is there. Boat goes 30 km upstream, 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours it goes 44 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. So what it is saying is that there is a river, okay, and it flows like this, and there is a boat. So it is coming opposite to the stream, that is upstream. So that is 30 km, and also it is going downstream 44 km. Going and coming, total time how much it is taking? 10 hours time taking. This is first case. Again from here it comes upstream, that is 40 km, and it goes downstream 55 km. Total time taken here, that is 13 hours. In first case it is 10 hours, in second case it is 13 hours. This is what the question is telling. There is a river and there is a boat. It is going opposite to the stream, that is upstream, that is 30 km, and it goes through the stream, total distance that is 44 km. Upstream and downstream, total distance it is 74 km. Time taken to travel this 74 km is 10 hours. It is the first case. In second case, it is coming upstream 40 km, going downstream 55 km. Total 95 kilometers it has traveled. Total distance is 95 km. But time taken to travel this 95 km, that is 13 hours. By using this data, we need to find out the speed of the boat. We don't know. Let it be x. The speed of the river, that also we don't know. Let it be y. The speed of the boat and opposite to the river. The speed of the boat going opposite to the river, that will be x minus y. And the speed of the boat that is going through the river, that will be x plus y. X plus y is the total speed of the boat and stream. X minus y is the total speed of the boat minus river, because it is going opposite to the flow of the river, because we have to remove the speed of the river and then we have to calculate the speed. So upstream, going opposite to the stream, speed is x minus y. Downstream, going through the river, speed is x plus y. This is a very basic minimum data we need to write, and we need to know that. So this is an illustration example how it is. Now let us come to the answering part. So solution: let the speed of the boat is equal to x km per hour. Let the speed of the river is equal to y km per hour. Okay. Speed of the boat going upstream is equal to x minus y km per hour. Speed of the boat going downstream is equal to x plus y km per hour. Okay. This is okay. Speed of the river, speed of the boat, speed of the boat x, speed of the river y, x plus y, speed of the boat and river through the stream, x minus y, speed of the boat and river upstream. So we know that. But total time is 10 hours. What is the time to go for upstream? What is the time to go for downstream? We don't know. Individual time we don't know. Going upstream up to one point, 30 kilometer, in which speed it has come, and what is the time taken to travel this 30 kilometer? We have to find it. And what is the time taken to go 44 kilometer? We have to find it. To find out this timing, by using the formula, we need to find it out. What is the formula? See here, speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken to travel this distance. This timing will come here and speed will go there. Time is equal to distance by speed, because we need to find out the time taken for 30 kilometers and time taken for 44 kilometers. We don't know that, but we have this distance, that is 30-40 kilometers. We have the distance, we have the speed going through the upstream, we have x minus y, going through downstream we have x plus y, we have distance and speed, so that we can calculate the time. Okay, so now I am going to write is that, see, t1 is the time taken to go upstream is equal to distance travelled by speed. This is the time taken. Distance travelled to go upstream, that is 30 kilometers we have. What is the speed? Upstream speed we have x minus y. Okay. Again, t2 is the time taken to go downstream 44 kilometers. Time taken to go downstream, that is distance by speed. What is the downstream distance? That is 44 kilometers. What is the downstream speed? That is x plus y. So here I write total time is equal to t1 plus t2. We have the total time, that is 10 hours. Okay. T1 is the time taken to go upstream, that is 30 by x minus y, plus T2 is the time taken to go downstream, that is 44 by x plus y. So 10 is equal to 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y. So this is the very first equation we have formulated in case 1. Boat, first time it goes and comes, second time also it goes and comes. When it goes and comes for the first time, we have formulated. Upstream it has travelled 30 kilometers. Downstream it has travelled 44 kilometers. Speed for the upstream, that is x minus y. Speed for the downstream, that is x plus y. So this is the time taken to travel 30 kilometers. This is the time taken to travel 44 kilometers. So this is the time for the total distance, 30 plus 44. Total distance time is 10 hours, it is given. So this is also ours, this is ours, this is ours. So this is in first case. We need to formulate this type of equation for the second case. Let us see that second case. Yes. So for the second time when the boat goes, will be considered as second case. Okay. Case 2. So this is the second case. So speed of the boat x kilometer will be as it is, speed of the river y kilometer will be as it is, speed of the boat upstream x minus y kilometer per hour, that will be as it is, speed of the boat downstream x plus y kilometer per hour, that will be as it is. So here T1 is the time taken to go 40 kilometer upstream. So this is the second time boat is going upstream. 40 kilometer is equal to distance by speed. You know the formula, time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance? That is 40 kilometer. What is the speed? Upstream speed, x minus y. Okay, so that's it. T2, time taken to go 55 kilometer downstream is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance? That is 55 kilometer. What is the downstream speed? X plus y kilometer per hour. So this is the time T1 to travel 40 kilometer. This is the time T2 to travel 55 kilometer. Total time is equal to, what is the total time? In 13 hours. So 13 hours is the total time. Time taken for first 40 kilometer upstream, that is 40 by x minus 1. Time taken to travel 55 kilometer downstream, that is 55 by x plus 1. Therefore 13 is equal to 40 by x minus y plus 55 divided by x plus y. So this is equation 2. For the first time when the boat goes and comes, that is the first case, we have formulated one equation. For the second time when boat goes and comes, we have formulated this equation. So we have called this as an equation 2. By using equation 1 and 2, we have to calculate the values of x and y. Value of x is equal to speed of the boat. Value of y, that is speed of the river. That is what we have to find out. Come on. By equating these equations, let us find out the values of x and y. By using, it may be elimination method, by taking a substitution method or cross multiplication method. Whatever the method, by applying this any one method, we can find out the value of x and y. Let us see that. Yes, dear students. So this is the equation 1 for the boat goes for first time, and this is the equation 2 for the boat goes for the second time. For upstream, time taken. For downstream, time taken, and total time 10 hours. This is first case. In second case, for upstream 40 by x minus y, for downstream 55 by x plus y. T1 and T2, total time 13 hours. We have formulated this thing. By giving values for 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y, as usual previous questions what we have solved, like that also we have to solve this. Come on, let us solve this. Put 1 by x minus y is equal to p and 1 by x plus y is equal to q. See here, 10 is equal to, I take 30 outside, 1 by x minus y will be the remainder. So 1 by x minus y plus, I take 44 outside, 1 by x plus y will be remainder. Okay, so 10 is equal to 30, 1 by x minus y, that is equal to p, 144, 1 by x plus y, that is equal to q. So this is equation 2. plus 55. 1 by x plus 5. So 13 is equal to 40. 1 by x minus y, that is equal to p. 55. 1 by x plus y, that is equal to q. So this is equation 2. See here, I write 10 is equal to 30p plus 44q. And this is equation 1. 13 is equal to 40p plus 55q. This is equation 2. So we have arrived at this stage. Here 30p, 40p. We have to multiply this by 4 and we have to multiply this by 3. So that 4 3s are 20, 3 4s are 20. Now let us see what will be the equation. 4p is equal to 120p plus 176q and 3 13s are 39, 3 40s are 120p plus 165q. Okay, on adding. So let us see in the other side of the board. Okay, on adding these two, see here, plus, no, on subtracting, on adding we don't come, on subtracting. So this is minus, minus, minus. 40 minus 39, that is 1. Plus 120p minus 120p will get cancelled. 176 minus 165. 1, 1, 11. 11q. 1 by 11 is equal to q. Therefore, q is equal to 1 by 11. Okay. So, this is equation 3. By substituting 3 in 1. What is the equation 1? 10 is equal to 30p plus 44q. 10 is equal to, we have the value of q, 30p plus 44 multiplied by 1 by 11. 11 ones are 11 fours. 30 is equal to 10 is equal to 30p plus 4. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 30p. 6 is equal to 30p. Therefore, p is equal to 6 by 30. P is equal to 1 by 5. 6 over 6 5s are. So we have got the value of p is equal to 1 by 5. The value of q is equal to 1 by 11. Now let us find out the value of x and y. Here, what we have taken? P is equal to 1 by x minus y and q is equal to 1 by x plus y. The value of p, that is 1 by 5, is divided by 1 by 5 is equal to 1 divided by x minus 5. By doing cross multiplication, x minus y is equal to 5. So here the value of q is equal to 1 by 11. That is equal to 1 by x plus y. By doing cross multiplication, we get x plus y is equal to 11. So let us call this is equation 4 and 5. On equating equation 4 and 5, x minus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 11. So on adding, plus 5 and minus 1 will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 5 plus 11, that is 16. x is equal to 16 by 2. So x is equal to 8. By applying x is equal to 8 in equation 4. So this is equation 5, this is, and this is equation 6. So x minus y is equal to 5 we have. X is equal to 8 value we have found out just now. Minus y is equal to 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to y, because this side comes in here and y goes there. 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. So therefore y is equal to 3. Dear students, we have finally found out the value of x and y. The value of x is equal to 8 and the value of y is equal to 3. The value of x in the sense it is the speed of the boat, that is 8 km/h. Value of y in the sense that is the speed of the river. The speed of the river is 3 km/h. So x plus y downstream speed, that is 8 plus 3, it is 11 km/h. Upstream x minus y, that is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, that is 5 km, the speed of upstream. So this is the lengthy answer. We didn't have the sufficient board to show you all the answer in one view, and we don't have that type of technology to make you understand this huge question and answer to you. See, by the facilities what we have, I try to explain the very difficult question in the easiest manner by taking a lot of time and by explaining in detail. So this is the effort I have taken, this much. So I hope you understand this question and answer neatly. In case if you did not understand this question, particularly this question, not the previous questions, please don't worry. When you come to the class, I explain everything well in detail. Okay, once again I tell you, because these type of questions are not so easy to understand through online teaching. Okay, but at one shot, if you understand this question and answer, means you are really genius students. How many people can understand this question and answer? I appreciate you really. I think almost all the people can understand this answer. Okay, thank you. This completes this chapter, and in the exercise we have many questions. See, in the exercise 3.6, see in the exercise 3.6, in this exercise we have, so 8 questions are there, and verbal questions are also there. See, like this. You please solve these questions and also solve these questions verbal, like this. Questions are there. You solve these questions, and these are very easy. And the remaining part of this lesson and question and answer, you solve it. I put a full stop for this chapter, and I'll go for the next chapter. Okay, we are going to discuss the next chapter. Okay, thank you.